Today we're in Covington, Kentucky, just a short drive from downtown Cincinnati. We are in the Tuscany community by Fischer Homes, where they're building new construction single-family homes, patio homes, paired patio homes, and new condominiums. All right, hey guys, welcome back. It's Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. Today we drove up the hill in Covington, Kentucky. A lot of new construction going on up here, a lot of new different phases. We've been working on bringing you guys all kinds of content about rehomes and new construction in the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky area. We're the #1 real estate channel on YouTube in the Cincinnati area. For those of you who reach out to me because of the YouTube channel, thank you. I kind of say over and over again, if you've talked to me on the phone, you know this conversation. In this crazy market, it's really hard to buy a resale home. You can do it, but you're gonna be fighting against a lot of other buyers. You're gonna be in multiple offers. You're probably gonna have to bid above asking price, and you may not necessarily even get the home that you want. And so you can go that route, but one of the things I talk to clients about a lot is new construction. Now you're probably gonna pay a little bit more per square foot for new construction, but you avoid all the hassle and the headache of trying to beat out the other buyers, and you get the design and the layout in the neighborhood you want right off the bat. You don't have to make any changes to the house because it's all new and it's all the way you want it. Today I'm working with some clients who reach out to me. We're meeting with Fischer sales rep, and I say this every time, but I'll say it again. It costs you nothing to have a buyer's agent on your side before you go talk, whether it's Fischer, whether it's Trees, MI Homes, any builder. Reach out to a buyer's agent ahead of time because the builder has the cost of the commission of the buyer's agent built in already. It doesn't cost you a thing. Your house isn't going to cost you anymore. So make sure you reach out to us here at Team Sztanyo so we can help you find that new construction house that's perfect for you. So let's check out what this community of Tuscany has to offer. Welcome to Tuscany. Designed by Fischer Homes, Tuscany is a signature community conveniently located just minutes from I-275 in Kenton County. Tuscany is less than 15 minutes from both downtown Cincinnati and the Cincinnati Northern Kentucky International Airport, making it one of the best located communities in Northern Kentucky by Fischer Homes. There are many different collections of homes to choose from at Tuscany, and they are just opening up a new phase where they're doing more construction and new home sites are available. Within Tuscany, there are condominiums, paired patio homes, and designer single-family homes. Tuscany, a name synonymous with rolling hills, verdant fields, and unique architecture, is now a name rooted in the carefree lifestyle by Fischer Homes. Not only is the location great here at Tuscany in Covington, but you really get a feel that you're on top of the world. In the new phase of housing on top of the hill here in Tuscany, you can enjoy breathtaking views and the convenience of walking to neighborhood amenities and the community feel of Pienza. The luxurious clubhouse, pool, and fitness center are all centrally located, exclaiming La Dolce Vita, the good life. Tuscany is located in the Kenton County School District, which includes Summit View Elementary, Summit View Middle School, and Scott High School. Nearby parochial schools include Calvary Christian, Holy Cross High School, Notre Dame Academy, and Covington Catholic High School. You can enjoy low-maintenance living at Siena, the lifestyle section of Tuscany. You can choose from the Gallery 2 condominium collection, offering private entries into each home. Garages, no-step living options, and finished lower levels are also available. With these condominiums, you can enjoy low-maintenance living. The pricing for condominiums at Tuscany are going to be starting in the 200,000s. Community amenities include a swimming pool, clubhouse, and a fitness center. Tuscany also offers the new paired patio collection, featuring 2-story townhomes with open concept floor plans and attached 2-car garages. Paired patio home pricing in Tuscany is going to be around the mid to upper 200,000s. Another option within Tuscany are the patio homes, which we have featured on a few other videos on this channel and offer extremely low maintenance living. The patio home pricing within Tuscany are going to start around the mid 300,000s. And lastly, you can also choose from the designer home collection of single-family homes within Tuscany. So as you can see behind me, guys, new homes going in all over the place. Lots of ground being broken here. There are many lots that are sold, but there are some lots that are still available. If you're interested in moving into a community that has kind of a young professional feel, an active community, a community that's close to downtown, you might want to check out Tuscany. Right here in Covington, a lot of different home options for you, from the single family to the patio home to the paired patio home, even a condominium. A lot of great options for you to choose from on the new construction side. Guys, I hope this video, again, was helpful for you. So we're trying to show you these different communities here in Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati, show you what it actually looks like to be here, to be living here. And again, new construction is a good choice if you want to avoid all the hassle of the difficult buyer's market that we're in today. Whatever neighborhood you're looking at getting into, guys, we've got a lot of other videos for you to check out. We just recently did a video on Shake or Run, so if you're not wanting to be on the Kentucky side, but rather be on the Ohio side, it's on a golf course community. So be sure to check out the next video that's popping up here, guys. If you want to work with us, 513-813-6293. You can email me directly at eric.sztanyo@kw.com. Guys, as always, we believe that home is where families grow stronger together. So we want to help you get into the right home that's right for your family so you guys can be strong together. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you next time.